All right, trappers, here it is. Are you ready for this? They're on there, guys. We have a little bit to do. I'll talk about that here in a second. But I think they look good on here. Let's get backed up here so we can see. Yeah, I think man, I just hit the neighbor's satellite. Damn, walked right into it. I wasn't watching. That's funny. But yeah, I think they look real good, guys. I have a little bit I want to do to them. Last night I ordered a couple things. They should be here by the 10th, 11th, somewhere in that area. So these will go on, and they'll definitely stay on. I think they're going to come back off for now, guys. I don't want to ride them yet. Hopefully the wind's not too bad, the camera, by the way. But I'm going to show you why. Dead on, you guys can't really tell so much. But look, as you get to the side, man, I stepped in a hole. I'm dying out here, guys. Look how far in they are. I think that they set too far in. They're tall enough. They're 20s. But the backs don't really look the way I want it to, guys. You see, I don't know if you can tell in this camera. If we look down the line here, you see how far they're tucked in. I mean, it's okay. It's not terrible, guys. But I ordered 1.25 inch spacers, so the wheels are going to come out 1.25 inch. So it'd be 2.5 inches wide for those who are bad at math. I don't know how many millimeters it is. We're in America, so anyway, it'd be 2.5 inches wider, guys. And I ordered some different tires. Check these out. These are, let's see if we can find it here. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? I can't see. I'm blind today too on top of it. All right, well, that's not a very good example. It's upside down, but it's here. It's a 245/30 R20. What I got is 245/40s R20s. So they'll have quite a bit more sidewall, guys. So this sidewall, it'd be a little taller on here, this side, and that side. So we're gonna get a little bit more in the wheel well here, and definitely widen it up a little bit, guys. Definitely widen it up. Man, there's that hole. I missed it this time. Sorry about the wind. I'm pretty sure it's terrible, but now you guys can kind of see a little more in the aspect about how it's too narrow. It doesn't sit quite right yet, guys. Man, this truck's gonna be so sharp. So sharp. We got the mini truck lifted up a little bit. I think I'm gonna take a ride in that here in a little bit. But that's the Blazer, folks. To me, at this angle right here, you can really see it a lot here in the back wheel, how far it's pressed in. The offset is not really quite right. You see what I mean, guys? Little too narrow. So we're gonna widen it up, and we're gonna put some taller tires on there, so I don't have to worry about beating my rims and my truck to death. And we're gonna go for there. So for now, guys, I'm gonna get the other wheels back on. I'm gonna get these pulled off, and we're gonna get these prepped and ready to go on. I want to see if I can paint these plastic inserts. See, these are black, and this is really plastic, guys. It's not metal. I know it's shiny like that, but I really would like to paint this part that's black red. And you pull and do this screw, and it comes out of the center cap. So I have just the black part. So I really don't think they'll be that difficult to paint. I just want to do a good job painting them so it doesn't chip and flake up and look terrible. And I want to get it as close to this color red as possible. But also, guys, back here, some of you probably didn't even see it, but right here, I'm going to paint my caliper red, and the dust protector, whatever the hell that thing is, I want to paint that up red. So that'll look a little nicer, guys. Definitely set those off. If you noticed, I put the red valve covers on there. But yeah, guys, these definitely look good. I'm excited about this. Man, mini truck sitting here, so we don't really get a good view from this angle. Let's go around it, guys. It needs a bathe. Definitely needs a bathe. Let's see here. We're looking at that. I completely missed it. Oh yeah, you can see how narrow they are in this angle, guys. I think we can catch that here in the film. Definitely a little too narrow for me. I'm going to widen it up a little bit. Definitely want to widen it up a bit. But that's what it is, guys. I'm shutting this video down, and I'm going to get the other wheels back on, get these off, and that's what it is today. I think I'm going to take a ride in the mini truck, put some gas in it, beat the stereo a little bit, maybe hit the switches and have some fun. But that's what it is, guys. We'll see you in the next clip. Hey, there's Brent Mishler. Hey, he showed up just in time, guys. I guess we're not going to end this one. We're going to go ahead and put the camera in his grill. Brent, he loves to be on the camera so much, so we're going to press him with it. Man, let's see the lights, Brent. Let's see them. He got them worked out. Ooh, yeah. What do you think, man? You happy with it?
Yeah, heck yeah.
He got the mirrors on, guys.
All legal beagle now.
Legal beagle. Yeah, I thought this was a Lambo emblem, guys. The first time I seen this, I was like, damn, he put the Lambo emblem on there. He likes his Notre Dame, look at that. And his Michigan. He can't make his mind up.
Notre Dame.
Oh, she likes Notre Dame. So you're the Michigan fan?
I'm the Michigan fan.
Man, I don't want to be in your house on Sunday. Ooh, man, I'm tripping over the truck. Man, it's funny because I walked into their satellite over there, that direct TV. I was filming and I walked right into that, and then I was filming again and there's like a hole over in there. Stepped right in the damn thing, man. I was like, man, I'm dying today, guys. Now I'm tripping over the mini truck. He's got his Irish on here. Yeah. He's getting it in, guys. Got all of his lights on. Ooh, look at that. City of Napanee. Got his plate, everything, man. Embrace the pace. Boy, they ain't kidding, man. I'll tell you, you have a stroke sitting in this traffic or waiting to go around somebody on a country road. If you got high blood pressure, don't come to this town and drive. Man, he got the wheels on here. SS wheels. Ooh, chromed out. Look at these tires, man. He ain't playing. He said he'd race them any day, pinks. Golf cart racing for pinks. Block to block. He got a brake pedal set up, got his turn signal all in. Boy, we know this horn works. How many times we hit that earlier? That's great, brother. Got his windshield back in. That worked out good, didn't it? Yeah, you can't even see.
Yeah, that one broke. But...
Did it? We'll look at the other one then. We'll bring the camera over here and look at the one that didn't break. There you go. Nice clean cut right there, guys. See? Fit right in there. That's just how it is. Yeah, it looks good. This is what I was talking about, guys. Wanting to get this on here in the earlier clip when I said he's got something cool I want to check out, I want to get to play with. This is what I was talking about. So he showed up in perfect time. That was awesome. But that's what it is, guys. I'm getting out of here. We're going to hang out, shoot the breeze, and we see you in the next clip. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.